26 vaccination centers have been shut in Mumbai. Maharashtra has said this today, adding that they're waiting for more vaccine doses from the centre, and the Union Health Ministry has been informed. Of the centres that have been shut, 23 centres are located in Navi Mumbai. The NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has spoken to Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on this issue. Vaccination was halted in parts of the state last evening. Satara, Sangli, Panvel have stopped vaccinations. This is the information coming in from Mr. Rajesh Tope, who is the Health Minister. Now, they have basically said that the centre was discriminating against Maharashtra. Mr. Tope has also said that the populous state needs 40 lakh doses a week and 1.6 crore vaccines a month. The BJP, the central government particularly, however, has hit back, claiming that Maharashtra has enough doses for 5 more days and 5 lakh doses were wasted due to bad planning. Meanwhile, central teams are in Mumbai to take stock of the state's COVID fight and vaccination status.
7 दिवसाला आम्हाला 40 लाख वॅक्सिन्स लागतातच आणि त्यामुळे आम्हाला आठवड्याला 40 लाख दिले पाहिजे. एका महिन्यात 1,60,00,000 दिले पाहिजे, तरच आम्ही आमची गती मेंटेन करू शकू. वॅक्सिनेशनला गती दिली पाहिजे, हाच खऱ्या अर्थाने आमचा या निमित्ताने आग्रहाचं म्हणणं आहे. बाकी दुसरं काही नाही. समन्वय आहे, वादविवादाचा विषय नाही. सरकार, केंद्र सरकार सुद्धा आपल्याला मदत करतंय, परंतु ज्या पद्धतीने मदत करायला पाहिजे ते नाही. मी एक जरूर सांगेन,
मैं साफ करना चाहता हूं कि जैसे महाराष्ट्र में आज सुबह 23 लाख डोसेस महाराष्ट्र सरकार के पास है. दिन में 4, 5, 6 लाख जितने भी लगाएंगे उससे ज्यादा कल आते हैं और 3-3 दिन का पाइपलाइन में रहता है. 5 लाख डोज खराब हुए क्योंकि प्लानिंग ही नहीं ढंग से. एक वायल निकालने के बाद 10 लोगों को लगना है टीका, उसमें 10 लोगों का टीका होता है. तो 4-5 लोगों को दिया, बाकी लोग वहां नहीं आए, खराब हुआ. ऐसा कैसा चलेगा? तो प्लान करना पड़ेगा. ये राज्य सरकार की ड्यूटी है. राज्य सरकार अपना काम ठीक नहीं कर पा रही है और दूसरे को दोष दे रही है. कहीं भी 3-4 दिन का स्टॉक हमेशा रहता ही है और उतना पाइपलाइन में रहता है.
केंद्र सरकार जो बेफिजूल आरोप कर रही जो है, क्योंकि ये राष्ट्रीय आपत्ति है और राष्ट्रीय आपत्ति में पूरा मदद करने की भूमिका ये केंद्र सरकार की होना चाहिए. आज हमारा दुश्मन देश पाकिस्तान, उसको हमारा देश वैक्सीनेशन दे रहा है, मुफ्त में दे रहा है. क्या महाराष्ट्र भी तो एक भारत का हिस्सा है, हिंदुस्तान का हिस्सा है. उसमें राजकारण करने की क्या जरूरत है? महाराष्ट्र की जनता भी देश की है और उसमें ये राजकारण बार बार बीजेपी के नेता महाराष्ट्र के हो या देश के बीजेपी के नेता हो, महाराष्ट्र को टारगेट बना के जो चल रहे हैं, उसका निश्चित रूप से ये बीजेपी को उसके परिणाम भुगतने पड़ेंगे.
And Saurabh Gupta now joins us. Saurabh, when you speak to the centre, they'll say that there are vaccines in the pipeline. Maharashtra has the stock. It's just bad planning on their part. And when you speak to, government officials of Maharashtra, they will say that we are short on vaccines. But the reality is that on ground, vaccination centres are shut. On ground, there are reports coming in from Nashik where in some hospitals, ventilators are not working because the oxygen supply is limited. On ground, there is a mad rush for remdesivir. I mean, things are pretty bad in Maharashtra.
Well, yes, Maharashtra now has the highest number of active cases and the system is definitely stretched. And there is, of course, a huge pressure, and what doctors are saying is that in the second wave, it's always almost like this, that it will always come back with more cases and, more transmission. That's what the dean of KEM Hospital said. But as far as vaccines are concerned, I've spoken to both government and private hospitals, and all of them say that there has been a lag in supply. And the problem is, while the government says there is 2 days of supply left, they are also saying that the next supply will come in on the 15th of April. You still have time to go. So you also have to keep in mind there is a second dose that has to be administered to a lot of people. So if that is the case, and if you have 2 days, the BMC cannot scale up and Maharashtra wants to scale up vaccinations. So in a way, they're saying that, this is like asking someone to go to war, but you're rationing the bullets. That is what the Maharashtra government is saying, that give us more vaccines. We are saying this is what our need is. 6 lakh a day, 40 lakh a week, 1.6 crore a month. And if that is how we want to go about, if you give us and assure us this supply with at least a week's supply in stock, we can scale up to that level and continue the vaccinations and vaccinate more people so that we can tackle the second wave better.